national flag, that is related code number 1, IS1, that conforms to, that national flag conforms to IS1. Okay, just Google it after you are doing instruments. And these plumbing key elements are, this revolves around energy, environment, water and health. That is plumbing. And then some of the terminals I am not talking about. Water supply, already I discussed with you about this. Some basic things which you should know. What is the water supply systems? It comes to the sump from the municipal house going to the sump, from the sump to the overhead tank, and overhead tank is distributed to the toilets. This is on the gravity part. It is on the hydrodynamic system. From the pump itself it will go around, and minimum pressure you need to keep how much inside. Safer say 3 only, but up to 5 we can go. Okay, but more than 5 we should not. NBC is only 3.5 is okay. So this is the, and color code, please remember, purple color is for recycled water. What is this recycled water? Anybody can say? STP treated water. It is being given to where you are giving. No, let us discuss sometime here. For you in the cottage, where you are giving? Flushing
only baseline used to flush, and the soil line used to irrigation.
So we have
grey water,
black and
grey water
the
treatment.
black goes to irrigation and the grey water goes to the flushing system.
So grey water you are treating separately, and the grey water you are taking it to the flush tank. Grey water, what type of treatment you are doing? Are you doing aeration type? Even grey water also SBR?
Both are SBR.
Both are
Sequence.
Both are SBR, but your grey water is going to your flushing tank. Flushing tank is considered one?
Yes.
How people started using it? I have not faced any problem because of that.
Yes, it is problem is there in the WC. When we are using that crossing water, then that area will get no like that only.
If you start, like, if they start storing water like for 4-5 days, then the smell will come. Then the
That is coming to the point.
worms will get grow, the worms will grow. So we are facing. Like not in Kotak, but project I face.
No, I'm talking about that. Let us talk about
In flush tank, recently we have started using flush tanks. So
But your grey water treatment and this treatment is being now implemented in Bangalore, I mean Godrej. But again they have come back, pollution control board just came back again to the original this one. They should not have two, they should have only one. Single only. Have been implemented here or not?
no, they are
In this project we are having SBR,
Both.
the separate tanks.
That's all. Both the cases you are treating. See, please understand, even your consultant, this STP water, treated water, whether it's grey or this one, that you should not use for the concealed flushing tank. It creates lot of smell, odor. Why? Because it is not continuously used. It is stored. Your tank is water is stored there. But anyway, it's a design issue. You as a
No, but they are continuously using for any urine or.
no. You store it and use it.
tank.
You are not in the flushing.
Yeah,
That is a fresh wall. If you are using a fresh wall, not an issue. Only the line part is going to be there. Whereas in your concealed system, you are storing it.
4-5 liters will be stored.
Store it. When you open in the morning, smell will come. Suppose if you are going on leave or holiday for a week, and when you come back, your entire thing will get black. And also, because of the bacteria. He said, no. See, only 1 day or 2 days, even if you go for ultrafiltration. But are you going with ultrafiltration?
Yes, sir.
We will be going. Yes.
UV we are doing, sir.
No. Are you going with UF for even grey water the treatment?
Both.
For both the cases.
Okay.
In that case, maybe 3-4 days you will be safer. But still 1 week, 10 days means it will original color. So why